So imagine gold and the US dollar are on seesaw. When one goes up and the other goes down. So gold is like universal currency, but it's a measure in dollars. So when the dollar gets stronger, gold become more expensive for other countries. So they buy less of it and the price drops. But when the dollar weakness, gold become cheaper for the other countries goes down. So you wondering why people are buying lot of gold. So that there's some reason. The first one is the Federal Reserve, which is likely money boss of the US, might decide to lower interest rate. When interest rates are low, it's not a profitable to keep your money in things like banks or bonds, so people might prefer to invest in gold instead. That extra demand can make the price of gold go up. But if interest rates are high, people might stick with those other investment, making the demand of gold lower and its price drop. The second reason, China is a big player in the world economy, is buying a lot of gold lately. When a country central bank like China's buy a bunch of gold, it can make the price of gold go up globally. Plus even regular people in China, especially younger one, are getting into buying gold. So this increased demand both from the government and the regular folks can push the price of gold ever higher. Last but not least, overall people are saying gold as a safe bet against things like inflation, and there are some uncertainty in the world like conflict in Ukraine, the Middle East. Also some folks thinks that the US dollar might not be as stronger in the long run because there have been a lot of new money printed and the interest rate might go down. So all of this reason combined are making people are interested in buying gold, which is driving a price up. Thank you.